Are you tired of pans that heat unevenly or stick stubbornly to your food? The Cook's standard 8-inch hard anodized fry pan is designed to solve those exact problems. With its durable hard anodized surface, this pan heats evenly without hot spots, giving you consistent cooking results every time. Whether you're frying eggs, searing steak, or sautéing veggies, you'll notice the difference immediately. What makes this pan stand out? Its heavy-gauge aluminum core distributes heat quickly and evenly, so you never have to worry about burned edges or undercooked centers. The nonstick coating ensures food releases effortlessly, cutting down on the oil you need and making cleanup a breeze. Plus, it's free from lead, cadmium, and PFOA, so you can cook healthier meals with peace of mind. The long stainless steel handle stays cool to the touch and is riveted for extra strength, so you can move the pan around comfortably without risking burns. I've personally used this pan for everything from buttery scrambled eggs to searing a hot beef steak, and it's held up beautifully. Even after months of use, it wipes clean with just a paper towel, no scrubbing necessary. The pan's flat, wide bottom gives you a generous cooking surface, while the sloped sides make tossing and pouring effortless. It works on gas, electric, glass, ceramic, and halogen stovetops, and its oven's safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Just a heads up, it's not compatible with induction cooktops, but for most kitchens, it fits right in. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-clean sauté pan that lasts, this one is worth a look. It's a solid upgrade from expensive multi-layer stainless steel pans or heavy woks, combining durability and performance without the hassle. The Cook's standard 8-inch hard anodized fry pan brings together thoughtful design and practical features that make cooking smoother and more enjoyable. Ready to make your cooking easier and healthier? Try the Cook's standard 8-inch hard anodized fry pan when you're ready. Its durable surface, even heating, and effortless cleanup mean you spend less time worrying about your pan, and more time enjoying your meals.